Where can you promote affiliate products? By Sangamesh Mangalgi. I am going to share with you as to where you can promote affiliate products, how and when you get paid your commissions for the sales and even leads you can get. However, before doing so, I like to inform you they are from those I joined and had been promoting since getting started in 2008. 1. Amazon is well known globally. It started as an online bookstore, but now it sells everything under the sun. From apparels and clothing, computers, electronics, household appliances, sports equipment and gear, toys and video games, just to name the most popular ones. All these are very familiar since we bought them from malls and departmental store regularly offline as well. So what makes Amazon so lucrative? 1. They operate 24/7 through their marketing and delivery platforms, and secondly, making commissions is easier since they are what people like you and me buy every day, but at massive discounts, especially on special occasions like Valentine's, Mother's and Father's Day, Easter, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday and Christmas holidays. However, the downside is their starting commissions are low at 4%, and they pay once every 2 months due to delivery, shipping and warehouse staff who are making a full-time living and making sure the customers got what they paid for on time. Before paying out to affiliates or associates they preferred to term as 2. ClickBank. Like Amazon, ClickBank is one of the largest affiliate networks, but more on digital or information products, as in e-learning programs comprising of e-books, video tutorials, software and website templates, LLKE WordPress themes in membership sites. However, in terms of payout, this is where they have a huge advantage over Amazon. Since they are what customers can get access immediately upon payment, they pay out commissions much faster, not once but twice a month every fortnight. Their products are in various categories like what you expected to find in bookstores, such as arts and entertainment, business and investing, cooking and dining, e-business and marketing, health and fitness, home and garden, sports, etc. Market Health focuses more on health supplements for men, women, children and old people. They have 2 types of payments, as in you getting commissions for every sale and lead you generated for them. 3. Paydotcom. Founded by veteran marketer Mike Filsaime, who is widely considered as grandfather of internet marketing, this is a carbon copy of ClickBank. But after Mike Filsaime sold the rights to another marketer, Shawn Casey, and focused on other projects, very little has changed until recently. For every sale you generated, you get paid through PayPal you need to set up. 4. JVZOO. Besides promoting as an affiliate, JVZOO is my absolute favorite network for adding my own info products as well. Why? Because it is free as compared to ClickBank, which charges $50 USD for every product I added last time. And they only take a cut from the profits you made promoting other people's or your own products. 5. Warrior Plus. This is an exclusive network of Warrior Forum only for members to buy and sell relevant stuff. In this case, internet marketing, since this is what the site is all about. Please like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon. You with one more exciting video. Thank you.